Good afternoon, dear students. As have we seen in the previous video, the calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio under different situations. So in all the previous two videos, what have we finished? Under different conditions, different ways, the old partner sacrifices a portion of their share in favor of new incoming partner. There are 6 ways in சொன்னோம். Equally 1, unequally 2, only one partner 3, when the sacrificing share is given 4. These 4 ways what have we practiced in the previous classes. A portion of their share the old partners sacrifices to the new partners, and therefore after that we calculated the new ratio. Is it so or not? Yes. And now we are going to see the last but one, the fifth way, when the sacrificing share is not given. See, unlike the previous cases, all sacrifices equal in கொடுத்துட்டான், sacrifices by only one partner கொடுத்துட்டான், unequal கொடுத்தான் இல்லமா. But now how much they sacrificed, the old partners, is not mentioned, but find out new ratio அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருவான். ஓகேவா? Now let me teach this one now. Vimal and Aati are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Okay. Jayam is admitted for 1/4 share in the profits. That's all. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So it is so obvious that unlike the previous sums all, here how much is sacrificed by the old partners is not given, but something they sacrificed 1/4 share to the new partner Jayam. So how much is given by each? Vimal and Aati is given? No. That's why we can say as here sacrificing ratio is not given. So in that case, how to find out new ratio? Okay, Mama? Now let us begin with here the formula is, unlike the previous all 4 cases where we subtract from the old ratio the sacrificing ratio, old minus sacrificing ratio, we calculated new ratio. New ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. But here not like that. Please note in mind. Either most probably this type of question only will be asked in exam point of view. Adnala listen boys carefully. Here the new ratio equal to my remaining share into old share. That's the formula. What's that? Remaining share into old share. Therefore begin once more. Let start with the Jayam's new partner's share is 1/4. 1/4 இல்லையாமா? Then therefore remaining share ங்கிறதுமா, assume the total share is 1. Total share is 1. Now subtract Jayam's new partner's share. Therefore remaining share equal to 1 minus 1/4. 1 minus 1/4. So automatically 3/4. Now you are getting 3/4. Next, apply the formula. Therefore next step, new ratio equal to remaining share into old share. As we know very well, old share. and remaining share also. Therefore now the new ratio of Vimal equal to 3 by 4 into his old share was 2:1. Therefore 2 by 3. Therefore 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So automatically 6 by 12. Do you understand or not? 3 by 4 remaining share. Just now we got 1 minus 1 by 4. Then old ratio it was given at the top 2:1. Therefore 2 by 3. Therefore 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. 6 by 12 is the new ratio of Vimal. Similarly, come to second partner Ati. The same remaining ratio 3 by 4 into his old ratio is 1 by 3. Therefore 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 equal to 3 by 12. Okay, there. So see, in both the cases, Vimal's and Ati's denominator is 12. 12. But the JM's share denominator is 4. And the 4, how to make it 12? As you know very well, just what we practiced yesterday, multiplied and divided by the same number. Therefore, JM share only we can make some changes. Therefore 1 by 4 into 3 by 3 to get 12. Therefore 1 into 3 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 by 12. Therefore at the end, new profit sharing ratio of Vimal is to Ati is to JM equal to 6 by 12, 3 by 12 and again 3 by 12. Therefore at the end even 2:1:1. This is the new ratio of Vimal, Ati and JM. That's all. Okay, like that. That 17th sum also you can do. Just one clue I will tell now. Let me read this sum. Anil, Sunil and Hari are partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:3. Okay, 3 partners. Then they admit Raja for 20% of profit. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. That's 20% in சொல்லிட்டோம்ல. How much by each one is not given. So like that here also the same. Sacrificing share is not at all given. So the formula is remaining share into old share. அதே formula தான். Therefore அந்த 20% 20 by 100 போட்டிங்கன்னா that we will get 1 by 5 ஆமா. 20 by 100 equal to 1 by 5. Then automatically you can find out easily remaining share equal to 1 minus 1 by 5. So automatically 4 by 5. Then new ratio you can consider 4 by 5 into 4 by 10. And similarly 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 and again 4 by 5 into 3 by 10. That's all that you can do. Okay, ma? So this is over. And then next, the last one now we are going to see is the last one. What is that last one, ma? The heading have I given you. When the surrendered value is given. What is that? When the surrendered value is given. I mean, unlike the previous all cases, equal in sonna, unequal in sonna, only one partner no, apra not given no, given no, illama. Now, the old partners agreed to surrender a portion of their share in favor of new incoming partner. Therefore, here we go to find out how much surrendered value. How much surrendered value. Okay, then that surrendered value to be subtracted from the old value. From the old value, so that we can get new ratio. Okay, ma? Can we see this sum? Come. Let me read this sum. Suresh and Dinesh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Okay. They admit Ramesh as a new partner. Okay. Suresh surrendered 1/5 of his share in favor of Ramesh. Okay. Dinesh surrendered 2/5 of his share in favor of Ramesh. calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Okay ma? So 1/5 of his share and 2/5 of his share. First we go to find out that one. Okay ba? So as usual give the heading ma, calculation of sacrificing ratio, new profit sharing ratio. Then old share in of Suresh and Dinesh 3:2. I mean 3/5 and 2/5. Okay. அதில் how much Suresh surrendered? 1/5 of his share. That we got to find out now. See the next step ma, sir sacrifice கொடுத்துருக்குறான், அது sir surrendered 1/5 of 3/5, right? பார்த்துங்க சுரேஷ் surrender value கொடுத்து 3/5, அதில் 1/5 கொடுக்குறா. How much? He got 3/25. Similarly second partner Dinesh surrender 2/5 of his share. Therefore 2/5 into 2/5, that equal to 4/25. Okay ba? Now easily we can call it 3/25 one partner and 4/25 another partner. That is 3:4. Now new share of Suresh equal to old share minus his surrender value or the sacrificed value. Therefore old share was 3/5 and new surrender value was 3/25. Therefore 3/5 minus 3/25. அதுக்கு LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. 125 is 25, 1 3 is 3. Therefore 15 minus 3 equal to 12/25. 15 minus 3 equal to 12/25. First partner over. Then second partner. இவனுடைய old share 2/5 minus his surrender value 4/25. இதுக்கு அதே மாதிரி தான் காமன் ஃபேக்டர் 25 தான். LCM எடுக்கும் போதுமா 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 125 is 25, 1 4 is 4, 10 minus 4 6/25. That's all. Therefore Suresh new share is 12/25 and Dinesh new share is 6/25. And now final step. Therefore you get right my day. Ramesh is getting 3/25 from Suresh and 4/25 from Dinesh. So these two to be added. Therefore 3/25 plus 4/25 equal to 7/25. Therefore at the end new profit sharing ratio of Suresh is to Dinesh is Ramesh equal to 12/25, 6/25 and 7/25. That is 12:6:7. 12:6:7. Okay ba? That's all dear students. And similar to that, see the next illustration also the same one. Next illustration also the same one. Just see there ma, Prashant Nisha are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ramya as a new partner. Prashant surrendered பாத்துங்க 2/5 of his share and Nisha surrendered 2/5 of her share in favor of Ramya. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. அதே தான்மா. First we have to find out Prashant surrender value. Prashant surrender value எவ்வளோ பண்ணுறான் 2/5 of his share 3/5. அதை போட்டிங்கன்னா 6/25 வருதா? Good. Then Nisha surrender value எவ்வளோமா 2/5 of his share 2/5. 2/5 into 2/5. Therefore 4/25. Okay ba? Then now new share ங்கிற போதுமா old share minus surrender value equal to new share of Prashant equal to old share 3:2 3/5. அவன் எவ்வளோ சரண்டர் பண்ணுறான் 6/25. Therefore 3/5 minus 6/25. இதுக்கு LCM எடுக்கும் போதுமா காமன் ஃபேக்டர் 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 125 is 25, 1 6 is 6, 15 minus 6 is 9/25. ठीक है? Then similarly நிஷாவுக்குமா அவருடைய ஓல்ட் ஷேர் 2/5 மைனஸ் அவருடைய சரண்டர் வேல்யூ 4/25. Therefore 2/5 minus 4/25. இது காமன் ஃபேக்டர் 25 தான். LCM எடுக்கும்போது 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, then 125 is 25, 1 4 is 4, 10 minus 4, 6 by 25. Therefore at the end we got to finish up with Ramya is getting 6 by 25 from Prasant and 4 by 25 from Nisha. Therefore 6 by 25 plus 4 by 25 equal to 10 by 25. Okay, so at the end sum up this new ratio of Prashant, Nisha and Ramya equal to 9 by 25, 6 by 25 and 10 by 25. That's equal to 9 is to 6 is to 10. Okay, good. That's all, these students. So as usual, after watching this video, the same type of sums given in the back side, sum number same. Sum number 16, 17, these two one and the same. Similarly 12 and 13, that too one and the same. Is clear, ma? 16 and 17 sacrificing share is not given. Formula is remaining share into old share. Therefore remaining share equal to 1 minus new partner share. Okay, 16th sum and 17th sum. Then and similarly 12th and 13th sum surrender value is given, so that we have to find out surrender value. I mean அவங்க old share how much portion they surrender value கண்டுபிடிச்சுமா, old share minus surrender value. That if you do now, you may get new ratio. So that this 12th and 13th, this type of sum. So that dear students, 4 sums as given homework. So do these 4 sums and take photo and send to me. So with that, dear students, this calculation of new ratio unit is over, and next week, next class onwards, we are going to see the next adjustment. Okay, so most probably from 8 to 17, to my knowledge, we have finished all. Okay, so if you left out anything, you go through and find out, and more or less we finished. Even if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, see you, bye.